Honor GT gaming smartphone launched with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, 6.7 inches, AMOLED display, and robust cooling. Honor has just entered the hardcore gaming smartphone market with the launch of the Honor GT. The phone will be the successor of the Honor 90 GT, but it seems like the company will omit the number from the name, simply calling the new phone Honor GT. As the name suggests, the device comes with aggressive aesthetics and is powered by a flagship-tier Snapdragon processor. It also has AI capabilities and a stunning display, making it a compelling option for tech enthusiasts and mobile gamers alike. The device opts for a flat design with rounded corners, offering a rectangular camera island on the back with two lens cutouts and an LED flash alongside a GT branding. It features a 6.7 inches, 120 Hz AMOLED display with a 26664 by 1200 pixels, Full HD Plus resolution, and support for 1.7 billion colors, and the DCI-P3 wide color gamut. The screen delivers up to 4,000 nits of local peak brightness and 1,200 nits of global peak brightness, ensuring vibrant visuals. With eye protection features like 388/40 Hz PWM zero-risk dimming, low blue light, and adaptive dimming, the Honor GT prioritizes user comfort. In the camera department, the Honor GT includes a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera with optical image stabilization (OIS) and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide macro camera with autofocus, supporting video recording up to 4K resolution. The front camera features a 16-megapixel wide-angle lens with a maximum photo resolution of 468 by 34456 pixels and supports 1080p video recording with EIS video stabilization. Camera features include AI photography, night mode, portrait mode, time-lapse, slow motion, and more. At the heart of the Honor GT lies the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, the device offers ample capacity for demanding applications and media-rich content. To keep temperatures in check, Honor has implemented a sophisticated 3D natural circulation cooling system, ensuring optimal performance even during extended gaming sessions. On the software front, the device is powered by Honor's Magic OS 9.0, based on Android 15, which offers a user-friendly interface with a host of AI-powered features. The Yo-Yo intelligent body provides personalized recommendations and optimizations, while the Glory Phantom engine enhances AI rendering, display separation, and power efficiency. It also has features like AI face recognition, AI photography, smart multi-window, and multi-screen collaboration. The Honor GT is a sleek and lightweight smartphone, measuring 161mm in length, 74.2mm in width, and 7.7mm in thickness, with a weight of 196 grams. The phone is powered by a robust 5300 mAh battery, supported by 100 watts Honor superfast charge technology for quick charging. The device is dust and water resistant with an IP65 rating and supports dual 5G, 4G, 3G, and 2G networks across major carriers. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and USB Type-C for both charging and audio output. The Honor GT also has stereo speakers, an X-axis linear motor, and an infrared remote control. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.